It's not coming out. Hello, welcome to the kitchen and cheers to you. It's a savoury dish. Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Today I've got a delicious taco dish to make for you. No, it's not for you because you're not going to eat it, I'm making it for me. So the first thing I need to do is fry up my base ingredients. I've got a few cloves of garlic and a chilli, so I'm just going to chop these up. This is really boring, isn't it? I should have had it all chopped already. Add my chilli and garlic to the pan. Some almonds. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And now I'm just going to gently heat these just for a few minutes. Look at my messy oven. Oh. So while that's heating, I'm going to chop up my cauliflower. I love a bit of cauliflower leaf. Break your clonks off your cauliflower, your florets, or you can just kind of roughly. Oh, I can smell that chilli and garlic. Oh, it smells delicious. Now we'll just add our spices into our garlic and chilli. So I've got some cumin, some smoked paprika and some chilli flakes. So just give it a stir. Okay, so now I'm going to add my other ingredients to the pan. So I've got some lime juice and some lime zest. So I'm just going to give that a roll on the surface first of all, just to release the juices. Lovely. Just squeeze that in there. Does smell nice, doesn't it? Okay. So I've got my lime juice and zest. I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. I'm also going to add some smoky tabasco and a squeeze of agave syrup, which I just have here. Okay, so look at that. That's really, really aromatic, let me say, aromatic. Add the tomato, my lime juice and zest, little squeeze of agave syrup, smoky tabasco. It's not coming out. It's like, there we go, so a whole bottle of Tabasco. So I'm just going to now stir that round. That is looking good. I'm now just going to blitz that up so it's a smooth sauce that I can toss into the cauliflower. So that's all blitz. Now I'm going to put it into a tray. So I've got a nice little roasting tray down here. I'm going to pop in my cauliflower pieces. Drizzle about a third of that mixture over the cauliflower. And just use your hands just to kind of coat the cauliflower florets. So it's nice and distributed is the word. Smell my cauliflower. So that's all coated nicely. I'm going to pop that in the oven on high heat, about 220, for about 20 minutes so it goes nice and kind of golden and crispy. It's very hot. Wow, look at that. It smells so good. Very aromatic, not aromatic. So what I'm going to do is just add a bit more of that mixture that we made earlier with the tomato and the almonds. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit more just to kind of dampen it. Oh, it's so nice, it's gone all roasty and crunchy. I've got a warm tortilla here. It's time to add our sides that we made earlier. So we've got the guacamole and the salsa. I'm going to spread a little bit of the guacamole on there. There's always a bit of arguments, isn't there? The best way to build your taco, and then everyone thinks their way is the best way. A bit of this. Add some of the lovely hot cauliflower. So I'm going to get these ready for my friends, for Dan and for Lola and for James, actually, who's guesting silently in the kitchen. So I've got my taco taxi there. I'm going to just load that in. Lovely. These smell amazing. I can't wait to taste one. Try it. Oh, it's delicious. Let me have another bit. Hang on. Yum. That is perfect. Mexican heaven right there. Everything you need to make this is just down there. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got a mouthful of cauliflower. Hope you enjoyed watching, and please come back to see more videos soon. Bye. Lovely.